Hey, what's up, y'all? Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch some recent videos, share my channel also. Y'all see the market pulling back, man. It's kind of shook about the U.S. debt crisis we got going on. So a lot of people pulling money out of the market. A lot of countries trying to get rid of the USD and want to move forward with it. I think China one of them, and there's a couple of others, but yeah, the USD not what it was before, man. So I think it's going from number 1 to number 2, but a lot of people trying to move forward in life without it. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. I'm trying to think, should I do this list or should I just go through and wing it? But I'm gonna just go ahead and do the list, man. Give y'all something. I could just go through and wing it because everything down anyway. But let's go. I'm gonna just wing it, man. You know, I'm gonna tell you what stocks to buy, which ones not to. We're gonna go with PSEC. We know all right, it's paid 4.5 cents a share a month. We're gonna go in at $3.38. Two shares, 3.38. Need to lower my average cost in this stock and take advantage of these dips. All right, it's PSEC. OXSQ. Gotta have that one. It's 3.5 cents a share a month. Gonna go in at $2.34. You know, I'm loading up at these prices, doing a buy order. 2.34. 5 shares of this every day. I already got my 1,000 shares. Western Union, gonna get a fractional share of this. Buying dollars. Alright, what else I want to get some of? Howoods, all that there. Kraft Heinz still down. Know this one we buying. So buying whole, play here. Lowest your average cost. I like this at 29 and under. It's below 27. HPP. It's gonna be a swing trade. I'm gonna go in at 183. It's time to lower your average cost for y'all. This one you can stay out of. At 435, time to lower that. Hawaiian Electric gonna get some of that too. Gonna let that come down. Granite Point Mortgage, another one for a swing trade here. 226. Make sure you do a buy limit order and put in the price you're willing to pay. 2 shares of that every day. CHMI, that's back above the 3. We're gonna go Ready Capital. Take a RC. This one you can get in on this one too. I like. Gotta go buying shares. Probably gonna be a nice long trading day today. Dynex Capital, 17 cents a share a month. Make sure y'all get some of this. $5 worth, half a share. One thing about dividend investment, when you run out of money, you can just reinvest your dividends. You should be getting dividends every month with these plays that I'm giving you. And some are quarterly also. All right, we know land is down. Got to get this. This pays out monthly also. Got a 6% yield. That's not big enough for you, risky enough. You can hold out on that one. I'm gonna trade myself for about I'm probably gonna keep it though. I'm probably gonna get out of it. I like RYLD, QYLD. They got like a 12% plus yield, so I'd rather go that route. But this gonna give you some price appreciation for a swing trade. We're gonna go with Viatris. Got to take advantage of this below the $9 mark. RYLD, XYLD, all of that is green today, but let's check it out and show you why it's still in the buy range, still at 16 and under. So you got to get this at these prices. Definitely one you need to put on your list. XYLD is another one. It's a buy at the $40 and under. Use these monthly payers, monthly bangers. Give yourself a raise. PFLT, it's another one. It's going to go back above the $11 mark. Going to lower the average cost while it's cheap. That's why I'm taking out margin now, because you're not going to get these prices again once this market go up. So the money I do have on the side that I would have put in, I'm just going to live off of that. I'm real frugal now, so it don't take a lot. My house is paid off, so I ain't got a lot going out. Game and Leisure REIT. Another REIT you want to get quarterly paying. But if you want to stick to monthly payouts, like I said, I got some bangers. You can just stick to those. ABR, this got down in the $8 range. I already got $3 of this earlier today. I'm going to get 2 right now. Online with y'all. I just got a feeling dealing with the real estate, man. As you know, I do own rooming houses that I do. And I done had rooms that I've been vacant for like 9 months, man. We going on June. I know one room has and another room been vacant about a month and a half. So I don't know. I'm getting kind of bad feeling right now about real estate. BGS Foods, one to stay away from. I'm getting out of the food industry. Once I trade out of this, I'm going to be done with it. Probably going to be holding it for a while. So I'm telling you to leave it alone. Ticker LYB, Lionel Basel. Almost a 10% yield. Another one for you to get on. Was getting $10 a day, but gonna cash up and do 5 unless it go around the $51 mark. Redwood Trust, another one. You can get in that. It's a nice like 13% yield quarterly payer. RVSB Riverview Bank, I got the sell on that at the 52-week high to dump that. Got GOGL, Golden Oceans Group. I like this below the $8 mark. It's got a 52-week high, about $15. You know, all the shipping dealing with the trucks, trains, and GOGL and SBLK are dry bulk shipping marine companies. You know, they ship stuff on the water. So they are depending on tariffs, they could take a hit too. And what happened in the next 90 days with China and us. AFCG. This one, if you trade with me, I told you it's the marijuana REIT. Rent out houses to the rent out warehouses to marijuana growers. I think that done took its trend too. So that's gonna be another one I'm gonna exit. I'm gonna get that dividend for now. But since I've been trading it last couple of years, but I'm gonna trade myself out of it with some capital. IVR cut their dividend. Still want to get at these prices. Nice quarterly payer. I'm going to get rid of this one and put it in a NLY if I'm going to do a quarterly paying REIT. ORC pays out monthly, 12 cents a share. Got down to $6.70 today. I already got my 1,000 shares. So I'm just adding pieces onto it at these prices in this portfolio here. I got 1,072 shares, so we're just going to bring that price down. NLY annually, that should be 18-ish. Definitely one for you to add on. $5 a day there. You ain't got to buy a whole share. Get your cap. You get your fraction. Can't get but $2 worth. Buy that. USOI, definitely gonna get some of this. Pays out monthly. I want to see if this gonna go back to the 51 mark. I start getting the $10 a day. I'm at 68.45. I want to get me. I like that at 63 and none. I want to get me 100 shares. SDIV, definitely a monthly payer to add on. All the Global X funds. Nice buys out here, man. Two Harbors, a REIT, quarterly payer. Definitely another one you can add on. But if you want to stick to just monthly, just stay with monthlies. I mean, you don't have to do all these plays that I am doing. NYMT, another one I'm gonna get out of. New York Mortgage Trust. I mean, it's not bad, but I gotta say the REIT sector just been getting beat up, man. Anyway, this one you can get if you want a quarterly pay. I mean, it's not bad. I'd rather go with NLY, to be honest. If you're gonna do a quarterly payer, or with ABR, Arbor Residential, not Arbor, Arbor Realty Trust. All right, got ticker RINC. It's a real estate monthly paying ETF. Bring down my average cost in this one too. Pays out monthly, double digit. APLY options on Apple. 13. I'm at 16.51. Pays out monthly. Going the average down in that. For y'all, one thing about the Yield Max option ETF trade according to Apple, but it's not owning Apple shares. But you just hold on to the dividends, or to the shares. They do the trading for you, the options, and you just collect your dividend every month. All right, I'm a residential REIT coming on down. Do $8 a day on this. Get low, I'm gonna do 10. I want to get me 1,000 shares of this while it's cheap. Like I tell you, I don't know how long the market going to be down, but you better take advantage of these dips. ULTY, I did get 25 shares at $6. I had a buy order in for it. I put another order in for 5 shares at $6. And that's how I'm rocking with that. Instead of doing fractional shares right now, the day is up. All the other stocks are up. For the Yield Max ETFs, Wendy's is down. I'm definitely gonna take advantage of this. Give me a half a share there. Bring my average cost down. I'm at $14. Got this in another portfolio. Also SCHD. He's below the $27 mark. Definitely time to add on here. Got this on recurring $1 a day. I did get fiat buying shares of this, 2 shares a day in another portfolio. Definitely time to come down right now in this one. I'm at 8.51. USOY options on oil. $10.04. All right. See if KLIP still trades around the $31 range. Bring your average cost down in this one also. Just drop below that $30 mark. I'm going to increase the value every day. Not the value, but what I invest. SVOL pulling back. 18.30. I'm at 16.34. Really don't need to be buying this. But it got a 52-week high of $23.03. So it still got upside to it. And I'm gonna go with DEA 2074. I'm at 2766. Just in case it go below the $20 mark. Man, that's everything there. Like I said, it's a nice smooth day. Stocks are down. Make sure I didn't miss anything. I couldn't have because I went through everything. Mostly everything else green. And that's a nice smooth. Hold on, I'm going to go with OPI. Make sure I get in on that one. And I need to get QYLD. It's definitely one I'm getting. Going to be a swing trade here. Another 25 shares. It's going to be one I'm a hold. I think this going to do a reverse stock split anyway. Just want this to hold on tight. Don't go beneath the $15 mark. QYLD up, still in buy range. All right, let's go with can't forget about this monthly payer here. It's at 742, still cheap. You can buy one share of this every day and ride out with this one here too. You just got to worry about dividend cuts. SDIV did DX. That's about everything, man. Got Nike and everything. Another one I'm gonna dump. 6082. All right, I think I'm about to hang it up. Like I said, ULTY is one I'm focusing on. Also, go get some OXLC, man. The OXLC, Oxford Lane Capital, got down to 446 today, 9 cents a share a month. But that's about it, man. Signing off. Go get your money.